Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss in the money option. First of all, what is an option? Friends, option is a contract between option buyer and option seller. This contract provides a right to the option buyer to buy or sell at a prefixed price in future. And this right is available to option buyer without any obligation to buy or sell. Hence, option gives a right to the buyer without any obligation to buy or sell at a prefixed price in future. An option becomes in the money option when the buyer of the option will make profit in case he makes use of this right. If option buyer uses this right, he is going to make profit, and that becomes in the money option. Let us see this example. Z purchased a put option. Put option means the option to sell. Z purchased a put option to sell 1000 shares of ABC Limited at a price of ₹200. So this price is determined right now. It is a prefixed price, and this is known as strike price. Current price is 180. Current price means the spot price, the price prevailing on the date when this right will be used. So this is a put option. The put option is purchased by investors when they expect decline in the value, decline in the price. So here the strike price is 200 and current price, the price prevailing on the date when this option will be used. So in this case, the strike price is more than spot price. And if this right is used, then it will result into profit to the option buyer. Hence, it becomes in the money option. Let us now see another example relating to a call option. So Z purchased a call option. Call option means a right to buy. Z purchased a call option to buy 1000 shares of ABC Limited at a price of ₹200. So this 200, this is agreement price called strike price. Current price is 220. Current price means the price prevailing on the date when this right is used. So this is a call option. Friends, call option is used or purchased when there is an expectation that the price will increase in future. In this case, the spot price is more than strike price. So spot price is 220 and strike price is 200. So in this case, if this right is used by option buyer, he is going to make profit. And that becomes in the money. So in the money is an option in case of a put option when strike price is more than spot price. In case of call option, it is in the money when spot price is more than strike price. Well friends, we shall also discuss at the money option and out of money option in next lectures. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you will be benefited by its contents. Thank you once again.